Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we will break down and build back up the word parents. So here we see the word in phonemic script. The first thing to notice is that we have two syllables in this word, parents. And the blue mark top left tells us that the strongest syllable is the first syllable, pair. So looking at that first syllable then, we've got that p sound, which requires a puff of air. In English, we bring both lips together. And this double vowel in the first syllable is where most people make their mistake with this word. So to pronounce this, it's air, like the stuff that we breathe, air. A very common error that I hear is people pronouncing this pa, like parents, but it's not, it's pear, parents, like the fruit, pear. Okay, so remember that, that's your takeaway point from this video. The first vowel is a double vowel, air. We need some movement in the mouth. That second syllable then, we've got this cluster at the end. This is a very consonant heavy syllable. So at the end of it, we've got the nts. So that comes together as a nts. And the beginning of the syllable is the r. So building that syllable up, runts, runts. So the n is happening up in the nose. And then we've got this ts, which is hissy, like the sound that a snake might make. You're not voicing those last two sounds, so you don't want any vibration in the throat. Otherwise that S will turn into a Z. That's not what we're aiming for. So the final syllable, repeat after me, runts. So building it all back together then, repeat after me, parents, parents. And there it is again, parents. So remember, even though there's only one A there at the beginning, and you might think it's a single vowel, it's actually double, it's air, not a, pair, parents. Great work today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. I hope you found it a useful video and that you will now pronounce the word parents with confidence. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.